Hello, I am Tony.
And I am Art, and we're here from GardenMastersWithAZ.com.
Where are we, Art?
We are on our front porch
And why are we on our front porch?
because this is the place of tranquility. And not only for us, but for our plants during the summertime.
And we're going to show you something really interesting about our front porch that you really should know. So stay tuned. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos.
So this area right here is where we keep our Christmas cactus during the summer.
This is a little corner of our porch.
So we have this corner and we have a corner over there. Ideal situation for Christmas cactus. So we don't place them over there. We don't place them on the edge of the railing over there because they're going to get too much sun. Also, we don't bring them to the front of the porch because they're going to get a lot of natural rain. And overwatering Christmas cactus is not a good thing.
No.
So this may be the place. And I tell you, the plants love it so much, and the bird life loves it. We've even had some little birds nesting in the top of our Christmas cactus.
Yes, we have.
So,
And you know what? It's okay. We love the wildlife.
yes. So, anyways, so next we're going to be bringing you inside to see what they look like. But before we do that, I want to let you know that during the summertime, we give them very little bit of water, not like the other plants because they're in less sun and don't take up as much water. I do mist them with a mister, and they like the humidity. So the other thing is
What is the other thing?
I just want to say Christmas cactus, you know, a lot of the knowledge is not learned totally from a book.
Yes.
It's inherited. I hope you have that
Art
inherited
comes from
gene.
good lineage.
So
Tell them the story.
my grandmother, she used to, when I was just a little tiny boy, she used to put her Christmas cactus out on the front porch. And oh my goodness, she had a large Christmas cactus. And then she would bring them back inside for the winter. And then as I grew up to be a little bit bigger of a boy, my mom, she used to always have her Christmas cactus out on the back patio under cover. She had so many Christmas cactus. She said they're so easy to start. And later in her life, she said, now, do you want my Christmas cactus? Because you don't have to feel dedicated to them or whatever, because I have so many of them, and they're like a weed, that they're easy to grow, and so on and so forth. But I said, of course I want those Christmas cactus. And
of course.
so therefore, she has passed 12 years ago, and I still have those Christmas cactus, and I am 60 years old now, and those Christmas cactus will go on to
cut that out.
other generations. So
learning about Christmas cactus care, very important. And I hope you're getting something from this video. Right now, we want to show you more, and we're going to take you inside to show you where they are and how they're blooming. Because learning about Christmas cactus care, you can have your plants survive for years and years. So, follow us inside.
if you remember, right outside that window, in that corner, these Christmas cactuses spent their summer. So once they were brought in, and we're shooting this video right now, and we're probably, I want to say, 3 weeks past peak. So for Thanksgiving, it's now December the 3rd, but Thanksgiving or week leading up to it, we had lots of blooms. So this particular one, this pink one,
Look at that. That's
is
really
pretty.
beautiful.
You know, this one over here is a slightly different color. You'll notice that this one has kind of flat leaf, long leaf. This one has shorter, and it's even more flat. It's a different variety. So over here we have a red variety, and I tell you, when this thing was in bloom, it's past peak now. It's on its way out. But anyways, it was absolutely gorgeous with all of the flowers in bloom. So this one here is another pink one, sort of similar to the other one. This one has, again, a very flat surface where these are kind of bubbled up more. But I also want to show you, let me find on these. These are really easy to start, and you'll find, now this one has been broken off, but you can see the roots there. And you can just snap that off, put it in soil, and it'll start up. So one thing was always a wise tale with my grandmother and my mother or whatever. It's like when these are in bloom, don't bump them, because right here, let's see, I just saw, well, here's a little bud. And if you tamper with that, you know, that little flower will just drop right off. So when they're in bloom, try not to disturb them.
So these are in this spot, and they weren't blooming when they came in. They got introduced to a warm temperature, and it spurred the buds on, and they all bloomed at once. Beautiful. We would encourage you to try this. Right, Art?
I would.
Yep.
I know they call them Christmas cactus, but they normally bloom, you know, around Thanksgiving. So their big show is for your Thanksgiving feast.
I know. I wonder, I don't remember from years past, are they still blooming at Christmas time?
No, I don't think we're going to have much bloom out of them. You know, we only have a couple more weeks of these blooms and they'll be done.
Yep.
But, you know, I know this is all about Christmas cactus, but these will be replaced with poinsettias and paper whites and other Christmas flowers. But
videos to come.
And I just want to say, this is a great introduction to the holiday. It starts the holiday, and we can go from there.
Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos.